Hi all, welcome to the world of Buzzing Tool, which is known as your event buzzer. So you can find all kinds of event over here in different categories. So today we are going to demonstrate its compatibility on different devices. So first we'll be seeing a Windows based laptop where you can see that it's compatible with that, and we have opened the web version of this. So if you see that you are getting the list of all the events based on the dates, and there are different sections: event section, follow sections, social and search sections. So you will categorize or filter based on these sections about all the events which is happening in and around your city. So now moving to the tablet part, so you can see that we have a tablet version for the same. Here you are seeing that Buzzing Dhol also supports the tablet version. So this is the tablet version where you are seeing the introduction screen where you will get the details of how it operates. Now coming to the mobile screen, so we'll have a mobile device, Android based mobile device. So let me open this. So this is the splash screen of Buzzing Dhol. So it shows like whenever you are first launching the app, you will have to log in via Facebook. So we already have the logged in via Facebook. So you will be directly redirected to the main screen, that is the event screen, where you are seeing that there are different events listed in the mobile app, right? So it shows how it is compatible with the Android phones, and you will filter out these events based on the different categories. So in social section, basically it is taking time to load. So in social section, basically you will be getting the list of all the peoples who is associated with the events. So now coming to the iPhone, so if you can see that we have an iPhone version for the same. Now let me open this iPhone version. So it is loading the listed of all the events fetched from the Facebook and other event sites. So you'll be seeing that how smooth it is when we are scrolling down on the iPhone. So it shows how the colorful, how smooth it is. So these are the events. So let me go into the detail of any event. So if you can see that now, this is the detail screen of any event, from where you can find the details of the event and the peoples who are going to that event and who the peoples who are associated with this. So this is the iPhone version for the same. Now coming to the Android, like as I said, that the social tab will be listing all the social persons who are related to this events. So now coming to the Mac, our Buzzing Dhol concept or our Buzzing Dhol web versions also will be running fine on the Mac. So now you can see that you don't have to log in via Facebook. You can easily view the events without logged in. So this is how your events will be displayed, and you can go into any event details and you will find how that event details will be provided to you. You will have a date version, you will have the time of that event, and you will have a default image if there is no event listed. So this is our Buzzing Dhol concept first version. So stay tuned with more updates. See you off Buzzing Dhol.